Thousands of our friends and neighbors and relatives are unemployed right now. Some of them have been forced to wait for weeks or months to get their unemployment benefits. Well, now New York State is sending some of the work to file all of those claims out of state because it can't handle the crush. 7 Eyewitness News reporter Ed Riley looks into how this can help make things right for you.
Until claims are processed, we don't know which ones are duplicates, which ones are abandoned.
The state labor department admits it is overwhelmed with the number of people applying for unemployment. So far, $10 billion has been paid out for 2 million individuals. But a report in the New York Post said the department is using out-of-state contractors to work on the claims, and a South Carolina company called WALLACE had people processing New York claims and being paid $9 an hour, which is less than New York's minimum wage. When asked about it, Governor Cuomo seemed surprised.
Who says we've outsourced?
But State Budget Director Robert MUJICA admitted the Labor Department did hire 5 outside contractors to speed up processing.
Those contractors hired almost all New Yorkers. There's a case where one contractor hired some out-of-state workers.
Republican New York State Senator Robert ORTT is not happy.
The amount of people who haven't received a dime from the unemployment benefits that they are owed, maybe they'd be willing to go to work. And they could help other people, resolve their claims.
Neither is Democrat Assemblymember Monica Wallace, who thought it was a poor decision.
I think it's very troubling. It's deeply problematic.
Wallace said she hates to criticize in the middle of a crisis, but when this is over, she believes it might be time to consider a law to make sure it does not happen again.
To use New York State taxpayer dollars to go to another state and pay those employees less money is basically creating a situation where we're using New York State tax dollars to compete with our own New York State companies.
ORTT said he has lost faith in State Labor Commissioner Roberta Reardon.
But this might be just the final straw.
And he feels it is time for a change.
And if I was the governor, I would certainly ask for her resignation, step aside.
The New York Post article claims as many as 800 out-of-state workers may be involved, but that was a number we were unable to verify. Ed Riley, 7 Eyewitness News.